be showing you how to install a AUXBEAM 4-inch LED pod on a 98 Dodge Ram. I got these on Amazon, just 20 bucks for two. And I'm just going to show you how to wire it up pretty much today and just get her going. All you're going to really need to install this is the LEDs, some wire, a relay, and a switch. And I just mounted them right there in the grill for now. I don't really know where I want to put them yet. I couldn't really get them to fit on the bumper too good, so might get a different bumper later anyway, so they're just zip tied up there in the grill, but that should work fine. So I just got the grounds connected. I just used these stock little plastic hangers here for other wires. There's nothing there, so I just put a little self tapper right here, if you can see that. There's kind of a pretty good sized gap in there, and I put just a small self tapper, and it didn't go through the top of the hood, so that will probably work just fine right there. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of sandpaper, and then I got this ground right here too set up, just going along the same way, and then that's the ground for the lights. Alright, so I got all the wires connected. I got the ground part I'm going to use sanded down right there, and I just followed these existing wires. I think that was a light before, I don't know, but just followed that with my power wire all the way down kind of in the fender weld, and there's a little hole in there, if you could see down in there, and comes out right there. And I'm just wiring up the relay right now. I'm just going to use this spot right here for the ground. I think it was I think it just holds on this hood latch a little, or helps hold it or something like that. I don't know, but it looks kind of useless to me, so we're just going to use that as a ground. And then I need to go get the wire tap, and I need to get the inline fuse. Alright, so get your switch set into your wherever you like it. They usually go here. I put mine here. I had to cut it with a grinder a little bit, but I ended up making it work, you know. And you just need to run the wire from your relay for the accessory. You need to run that to the accessory on this bad boy. And then for the positive, you just need a 12-volt existing circuit, and that's just for the light. And then the negative is just a ground, and I'll just probably put that right there. I just hit that with a little sandpaper, so yep. So I just finished up all the wiring and everything. Got the LEDs on and working now. I just got a little relay, just put it right in there, and just got the instructions online. It's not too hard, but really just plug and play kind of stuff. And got the switch in there too, and I got it hooked up to where it won't turn on unless I have the keys in the truck or my truck's running. So, but it works good. It stays there pretty good. So the install wasn't too bad. It took me about 3 hours, 4 hours to do it. I made my whole harness too and everything, so it could take you less if you bought a harness and just wired it up. But AUXBEAM, I mean, they're pretty good lights, so I expect good. So we're gonna go out and see what they look like right now. All right, we're going down the road here. We're gonna try out the new LEDs that we just put on. Shut this guy off right now. Take a look out there. We got just headlights right now. That's it. And then I got brights right there. And then we're gonna check out the headlights with these new LEDs, the AUXBEAMs. Really lights the fucking place up. Real nice too. It's a good spread. I mean, you can really see wide. That's the thing, that they're floodlights, so you can really see the whole road when you got these bad boys on. Here, I'll turn my headlights off. Still, even better than the headlights. Yes, me. So yeah, that's the install on the AUXBEAM LED pods. I'll put a link in the description where I got them. They're just 20 bucks on Amazon. I recommend them. C-Rod has them on his Cummins, and he's had them there for like 4 years or something like that, and they still work fine. So they're real good lights, and I trust them. So like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.